And inside this box is another box. This is a 26-inch or 25-inch speaker from K Speaker. It's a soundbar. Obviously, we just put a soundbar in the side-by-side. I posted that video, and the next day, K Speaker reached out to me. They wanted me to do an unboxing and a review on their speaker. So we're going to do a side-by-side with the Echo Gear soundbar. So we're going to do a little unboxing on this one, and then we'll hook them up and see how they sound compared to one compared to the other. So let's get into it. This speaker retails for $250. The Echo Gear is a $400 speaker, the one without the battery that I got. So K Speaker commented on my video. They asked if they could send me a speaker. I asked, what are the stipulations? None. They said give us an honest review. So what do we got here? Just some product info. What's in the box? Those are your instructions. Cool. Okay. And got some zip ties. And the speaker. And some hardware. Alright, let's get the speaker out. It feels nice and heavy. Similar to the Echo Gear one. It's not quite as heavy as it. It's also a tad bit smaller. Packaged nicely. There we go. Here's our speaker. Let's see here. So first impression is it looks very nice. Looks like it's got the mounting rail on the top, same as the Echo Gear. Got your controls right there. It does have RGB lighting in it. And it's got your two subwoofers on the outsides. Looks like you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and some tweeters. A little bit of chrome accent right there. I think that lights up also. And then on the back, show your power. Looks like a USB. Yeah, okay, a little USB. I like that little protector. That's cool. So a little USB input, and then auxiliary bass output. Okay, cool. So that's that. Alright, it looks nice. Let's get this out of the way. Alright, so that's the soundbar. Everything that comes with. So you got your power cable. And then looks like just some clamps. And they already got some rubber in there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 clamps. Some Velcro straps. I think it's just giving you a couple options on how to mount it. Spare parts, and looks like the hardware to mount. And then this looks like, so it's got some aluminum bars, so this looks like it just slides just like that. Wherever you want it. That's nice. And it comes with some more brackets. What do we got here? Some sort of cable. I'm not sure what that's for yet, but it's got some like braided coated cable. Comes with all your tools you need. So it's got a few Allen keys and then a little socket. That's neat. And it comes with 2 remotes. So I mean, in case you lose one, that's pretty handy. That comes with everything. So it comes with everything you need. So we're going to go through the instructions a little bit and then mount it in there just to show you. So those little cables are safety slings. There's all your hardware. Everything that comes with it. So there's really nice clear instructions. So I've got all your controls, everything your remote does, both of your remotes, and then how to install. A couple different options. So very detailed, very nice, nice and big too. You know, normally you get a little book So there's just nice colorful instructions, so that's good. Alright, let's get this thing installed. That's pretty nice, actually. Those little clips. I will say this: the mounting system for this is much nicer than the couple hose clamps you get with the Echo Gear one. This is actually a lot nicer. So let's just do a little size comparison. They're about the same. We're gonna put on some music real quick. We'll do a little sound test with this one, and then we'll do the other one. It's going. That's like half volume. It's pretty loud. The bass isn't there. Not a ton of bass, but you can hear this thing clear as day. No problem hearing a wide open throttle. Alright, I just unplugged the other speaker and plugged this one right in. Alright, connected very easily. Just hit the Bluetooth button. So. On that one, there's no change in the settings, like from rock to rap, whatever. This one has different. There's like 4 different settings, so it's got a ton more bass. That doesn't have almost any bass. Bass kicks. I might be selling that Echo Gear. That thing, the bass kicks on that thing, man. It's loud too. I need to turn it all the way up and it's blowing my ears up. Also, the mount's nicer. You can see the lights on the side. I think I might be keeping this. I think I'm gonna pull that Echo Gear out and actually mount it. I think that's what we're doing. Let's get the thing in there. You can see the little hose clamps this one came with. Now, I mean, this is a nice speaker, but that other one sounds way better. And I'm not saying that because it was free, because I paid a lot of money for this, and I cannot return this. It's been too long, and I threw away all the boxes. But this one's going in the garage for a while. We're putting the other one in. Alright, I got it installed. I just got to tighten the bolts. It would have been much easier without the glass, because you can just lift the roof up, and it wouldn't be a problem. But so just gotta get those tightened. This little, where's that little tool at? This little socket they give you actually works really good for getting it in a tight spot and holding that up there. So that's kind of nice. Anyways, we're gonna get this tightened up and then we'll do another sound test. But I think this is staying in the side by side. My full intention when they reached out about this, I was gonna test it out and then sell it. I was not expecting to put it in, but it just sounds way better. And honestly, I kind of like the lights a little bit better. It's got bass. The other one does not have any bass. So if you want a little bit of bass, this is it. And it's, I mean, it was $250. So they're not paying me anything. They just gave it to me and said test it out, and that's what I'm doing. And obviously it's installed. The other one's going to sit on that bench for another project because I might buy a small boat or it'll get sold. But let's turn this thing back on. I don't know what to tell you. I guess that's staying in there. So yeah, it sounds good. The brackets installed are better. The remotes, you get two, so that's nice in case you lose one. If you have a 3-year-old, you have to worry about that kind of stuff. So I do wish that, and this isn't just on them, this is on the other places, I wish that the rail that they have at the top up here to mount those brackets to, I wish you could do it in the back, because in the back you could angle this down and that would be fine also. Or, you know, on the bottom, I know some of them do that, but so other than that though, I mean, I like it. So I'm gonna keep it in there. We'll see how it holds up. I got a couple trips planned in the next month or two, so we'll see what she does. But she's in there, nice and sturdy. So better than those hose clamps. A little bit of a pain in the butt, but yeah, I'll call that a win. So thank you, K Speaker. I'm gonna put the neck of gear's gonna stay in the garage for a little while. So yeah. Right. Pissing my neighbors off at this point. Anyways, super happy with that. Thank you, K Speaker. Yeah, we're gonna keep it in here. It looks right. Looks great. The lights, honestly, I like everything better. The other one looks cool, but it's like a little more modern looking. I don't know. The other looks like one of those bazooka tube ones. So it sounds better for the price. It's $150 cheaper. So I don't know what you want me to tell you. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.